baca.
Well, hey, hi people. Glad to see you again in our videos. And what will we discuss about right now, Ade?
Alright. Okay, in this video we will discuss how to make a croissant. Before we get into the main topic of how to make a croissant, we will explain what a croissant is.
Croissant is a type of pastry that originated in France, and it is made up from a laminated dough with a dough layer with butter, resulting in a flaky and butter texture.
Croissants are typically enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack. They can be plain with a golden brown exterior and a soft interior.
And croissant can also be filled with various ingredients such as chocolate, almond pasta, ham, or cheese. Yeah, that's it.
Croissants can also be served with accompaniments like a jam, butter, or other spreads.
Due to the popularity, croissants are now enjoyed worldwide and have become a staple in many bakeries and breakfast menus.
Yep, you are right. And they are often associated with French cuisine and are known for their delicious taste and delicate, flaky texture. Well, let's see how and the RECEIPE making croissant from scratch can be a process that requires patience and practice. The following is a simplified version of the classic croissant recipe.
Before we make croissant, obviously we need the ingredients to make it. So, here are the ingredients. First, we need 2¼ cups all-purpose flour, and next a 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and then 1½ teaspoon active dry yeast, and a ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup warm milk, 1 cup unsalted butter cold, and then the last is egg wash, or 1 beaten egg plus 1 tablespoon water. Yeah, that's the ingredients that we need.
Alright, and now that we know the ingredients, we'll move on to how to make it. You can follow these 16 instructions. First, in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. After that, gradually add the warm milk while stirring with a wooden spoon until a dough forms. Third, transfer the dough into a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 minutes until smooth and elastic. Next step, shape the dough into a ball and place it in a glass bowl. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour until doubled in size.
Okay, now fifth, while the dough is rising, prepare the butter. Place the cold butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper and pound it with a rolling pin to flatten and shape it into a 7x7 inch square. Chill the butter in the refrigerator. Next is 6. Once the dough has doubled in size, transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Roll out the dough into a rectangle about 10 times 15 inches. After that, you can place the chilled butter square in the center of the dough diagonally. Fold the corner of the dough over the butter, overlapping them in the center to fully encase the butter. 8. Roll out the dough into a larger rectangle about 10 times 20 inches. Fold the bottom third of the dough up, then fold the top third down, like folding a letter. This is completely the first turn.
Now we are in the middle steps. For next is rotate the dough 90 degrees and repeat the rolling and folding process 2 more times to achieve a total of 3 turns. Chill the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes between each turn. 10th, after the final turn, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. 11th, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then on a lightly floured surface, roll out the chilled dough to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Cut the dough into triangles. Further, we will starting from the wide end. Roll each triangle toward the tip, shaping it into a crescent. Place the shaped croissant on the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between them.
Okay, now we will have been done. Next step, brush the croissant with the egg wash to give them a golden color. And next, bake the croissant in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown and flaky. And this is the last step. The last step is remove the croissant from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack before serving.
And next, you can enjoy your homemade croissants.
Alright, that's how to make a croissant. Do you think it's worth trying it, Ade?
I will say very worth. You guys must to try this in your home.
Yeah, that's right. Like what Ade said. Okay, right, and I think it's enough for now. So goodbye.
Yeah, that's right. So let's see us on another video. Thank you for watching and bye.